What makes the EGIA universal stapling system truly unique? We call it tissue gap control. You will call it peace of mind. Each loading unit consists of a staple cartridge with 6 rows of staples for superior staple line security, and a slender anvil providing the widest jaw opening available. Each loading unit also has a sharp sterile knife blade. As a loading unit is fired, the patented tissue gap control compresses the tissue by physically pulling the anvil and staple cartridge together into proper approximation. This innovative technology ensures precise staple formation along the entire staple line, even at the distal end of the cartridge. To see what tissue gap control does, watch the distance between the cartridge and anvil as the instrument is being fired. Notice that the line measuring the distance between the EGIA Universal's cartridge and anvil is a consistent height from proximal to distal end. Without a tissue gap control mechanism, the distance between the cartridge and anvil grows larger as the instrument's knife bar moves from proximal to distal end. Let's look at the two firings together. Notice how the EGIA universal stapling system maintains a consistent distance between the anvil and cartridge. Why is maintaining a consistent tissue gap critical throughout the firing? Under heavy tissue loading, which is simulated by using 2 pads of gray pour-on foam, the lack of a tissue gap control mechanism may cause anvil deflection, resulting in less than optimal staple formation, especially toward the distal end of the cartridge. With our patented tissue gap control, the EGIA universal stapling system, under the identical heavy tissue loading conditions, maintains a more consistent tissue gap throughout the firing. This ensures more precise staple formation along the entire staple line, even at the distal end of the cartridge. Only the EGIA universal stapling system has the patented tissue gap control mechanism that ensures more precise staple formation along the entire staple line, even at the distal end of the cartridge. What makes the EGIA universal stapling system truly unique? We call it tissue gap control. You'll call it peace of mind.